Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Austin and welcome if you are new. In today's video, I am going to be doing an iPad reorganization. We are going to be cleaning out some stuff in my iPad, changing some wallpapers, having a theme, and just getting back in the wing of things. With that being said, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, everybody, so let me know if you guys like my wallpaper from my MacBook here. And let me know if you like that new intro because I just created it and it's fantastic. Anyway, I did this full theme for March a few days ago. I love it. My little pups, me and my driver's license. There's my permit, but I got it stamped. I got my license, a quote, make life a little bit interesting, a sticky notes section in my file folders. So we're going to create kind of a somewhat of a theme here on my iPad. So I'm going to go ahead and link up my iPad to my MacBook here. And you guys are now looking at my iPad. So here is what we got so far. I'm going to close out all of them. I'm going to turn off bedtime on here for just a minute. So right now I have a beach on here. I was manifesting like a beach, but we're going to change that today. So, and then on my home screen, we got some stuff on the bottom that I usually always need down there. And we got a whole bunch of stuff. What is this? A software update? That's what I'm thinking it is. Yeah. Okay. I need to change my Wi-Fi as well. Okay. So, and we got some stuff over here. And oops. And we got stuff over here. So we're just going to kind of put some stuff away and do some reorganization. So firstly here, I'm going to go into Pinterest. And if you guys want to follow me on Pinterest, right here is my little pin code. Or just type in my username, which is AustinBender6. I have Christian screensavers, line nail design, screensavers, quotes, Bible verses, quote and verse widgets, Bloxburg build inspirations, Halloween and autumn 2022, home decor, MacBook screensavers, and shopping. So, and then all my pins, which is all right here. So I am going to search up. We got some stuff in here that I like, but I wanted like a really smooth gradient, but I also love these strawberries. So maybe the strawberries we can put on the lock screen, and then I can do some like home screen, like a pink color. So let's do red, pink, gradient, iPad, screensaver. This one's cute. I can just block out that thing at the bottom, that little watermark, because it's annoying. What else do we got? This one looks good, but it's kind of a little bit grainy. I want it really, really smooth. I could actually just make my own, but I don't really feel like doing that. But it would be so much more smoother if I just make my own. Let's go attempt to make my own. So I'm going to use Procreate, and I'm going to show you guys how you would go about using Procreate to make a iPad wallpaper. Here's one that I did before. It's so smooth. So I think I chose this for the iPad screen. So it was 1668 by 2388. Oh, they already got my screen size. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and pick this like a bright red. And then I'm just going to use the round brush. And I'm going to make this thing pretty big. And then I'm just going to add a little section right there. And then I'm going to move this up and get like a tangerine type of color. And then I'm going to go down more to this like pink type of color. And then I'm going to come down even more. Oops. Come down even more and get like this type of color. And then just get some of this color. And then come back up and get more of this color. And then get more pink in there a little bit. And then just go back up and get some more red. So we got all these different shades like pink and red. It looks like clouds right now. And then I'm going to go to this little adjustment option. And I'm going to go to either Gaussian blur, which you can just turn all the way up like that. Or like that, or like that. However you really want to do it. But I like to have a little more dimension. But I honestly don't know if I really even like this one. So there's an option, but let's do another one. And this one I'm going to do really, really huge. And I'm going to do this red color. And then I'm going to get some pink in here. And then let's go ahead and do a Gaussian blur on this one. And this one is even more like a strawberry color. And then I'm going to try one more option that I like, that I have in my mind, which is going to be a big section for white. And then I'm going to do like this like pastel type of strawberry. And then I'm going to come in more and do like this kind of color in here. And then get more of a pink color all the way down to that corner. And then I'm going to grab some of a lighter pink for this little corner. And then I'm going to add in like a really light pink right here. And now I'm going to blend this together. And that looks pretty good, but I do want more red. So let's get some more red in here, like a bright red. And let's replace this, oops, I still have one Gaussian blur. Let's replace this entire pink area here with this red color. And let's add a little spot of red right there. Okay, and now let's blend it. Ooh, okay, that looks really, really good. So I think this one's probably my favorite. It looks like a pink strawberry. Okay, so I'm going to take a little bit of the Gaussian blur away. Oh, I just doubled it. That's not what I wanted to do. Can I undo some stuff? Undo, that's all I can do. Okay. And then that, and then I'm just going to share as a PNG. And then just save image. Okay. So let's just firstly go and just take care of the wallpaper. So I'm going to go to settings, wallpaper, choose a new wallpaper, and then I'm going to make this my lock screen. I think it looks kind of, yeah, it's cute. But their gradient actually looks pretty good. But I do like my gradient more. It's more like summery. And then home screen. And there we go. And then here is, oops, there's my lock screen and my home screen. So I'm going to go ahead and keep everything on the bottom. I'm going to go in here and just remove that little check app. And then I'm going to go into Instagram to remove the check app into Instagram. And then the Facebook Messenger, I'll leave alone. Netflix, just check in with Netflix really quickly. And then just check in with Criminal Case quickly. And then all of these we can put away. So this is a game, game. I'm going to consider that a game. And that's a game. That's a game. It's so hard to put apps away in this thing. And then I think I'm just going to put all of these in essentials. That way nothing gets messed up. And I think this is supposed to be over. Okay. Now if I turn this sideways, okay, something is messed up. It's supposed to be, this is supposed to be up here. And then this can be, I really wanted those apps down here, but I'll leave them alone. But yeah, this is what I like to see. 3 widgets, 1 folder, 1 widget, 2 widgets, 1 app, 1 widget, 1 folder, and then 1 folder, another widget, a big widget, another widget, a folder, and then 2 main other widgets. So that's pretty much it for today's video. It was a short reorganization because my folders are pretty much already where I want them to be. So if you guys do want the wallpaper, I'm going to go over to Pinterest right now and I'm going to add that wallpaper that I used. I'll also add the other ones just in case you guys want them from the ones that I created in Procreate. So that includes this one. And that also includes this one. PNG, save. And then I'll go over here to Pinterest and I will post these up. I might as well grab you guys the other one as well. Where was it? They're purple. If you guys don't want any more of these that I've created, those are kind of older junk things. But if you want any of these nice wallpapers, please let me know in the comments section. And I will add them. But for now, I'm just going to add these. And I'm just going to make a new board. There, go to screensavers. And then I'm going to add, create a pin. And then I'm going to make this one here. And I'm just going to call it strawberry Strawberry Sips screensaver. Create it with Procreate. Next. And then I'm just going to add, a lot of these don't even really even have names. So, like almost all of them, but some do. And then I'm going to add another pin. And I'll add this one here. I'm not even going to name this one. And then I'm going to add this pin. And I'm not even going to name this one either. And then do I have any more? No. Okay. So there you guys go. Thanks for watching today's video. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, everybody.